So, hello Khushi, how are you?
Hello Yash Bhaiya, I'm Helen Nati and you?
Good, good. And how's your professional life going on?
Yash Bhaiya, currently I'm pursuing BSc and I have been giving interviews. But now it's tough to get job, so I'm giving interviews right now.
Yeah, it's tough to get a job. After listening you, I'm able to recall one incident of my college. One day one of the professors came into our college and he asked us one question that what are the problems you are seeing in the society? Then student started answering. Some said population, pollution, global warming. I said unemployment. He immediately questioned me that what are you doing in resolving it? I was not able to answer that. And this question is still with me. So how do you see that?
Yes, I think that unemployment is really a big problem. And we can see that in the society it has been like getting increased day by day. So yeah, it is really a big problem.
Yeah, it is. But what can be the reasons behind it?
Okay, so I think one of the reasons why factor. What happens that nowadays we are too much busy in external things. So we don't know that what's my interest, what's my competence, my capacity. So what happens that when it comes to take decision, so we don't have clarity that what should I do. So after 12th, after graduation, we just get influence from someone with his or her possessions. Sometimes our family member pressurize us to pursue something. Initially, we start to do something without having clarity. In the process, we are not able to give our 100%. And as a result, we are not able to find expected result. So I think that we should be aware and we should be clear that why am I doing this. So I think that why factor it is important.
Yeah, a why factor.
Yes.
Like when this why factor is not clear, then we only work for consumption, not for contribution, right? And what about the respect? Sometimes we associate our respect with the career. So how do you see that?
Yes, it happens. Sometimes we associate our respect with the career. When it happens, that we just stuck or we just fix one thing that I just want to achieve that thing.
Yes.
Otherwise, I would like to stay unemployed for long. We are not able to imagine our life without that profession. So it happens. I'm able to recall that one of my kith and kins, he has been preparing for government exam. He really wants to earn and if he really wants to give something to contribute something to society. So I think that there are many things. But I think I'm assuming that he must be associating his respect with his career. So I think yes, if we associate our respect with the career, so we just stuck on particular one thing.
Yes, and we stay unemployed.
Yes.
Yes, but you mentioned about the government thing. Like sometimes our why factor is clear, and we are not associating our respect with the career. But still, sometimes government is not giving that much vacancies. How do you see that?
Yeah, government can be reason.
Yeah.
I think there are two things. That first, that many times it happens that in villages, in school, there we have need of teachers, and many aspirants want to become teacher. In the mid, government is not provide vacancies.
Yes.
But in second hand, many times it happens that we don't have need of employer, and despite it, after knowing this, we keep preparing for an exam. So in this, how government would be able to provide vacancies? And the third thing that as you mentioned that our why factor is clear and we are not associating our respect with the career. So I think that it is not the right thing. Because if my why factor is clear that I want to become a teacher and I want to make student life easier, I will be able to see that many options. That professor, by the REIT, by BSTC, and by teaching, private teaching, and by tuitions.
Yes.
Many things are here for becoming teacher. It is not like that only government. I think we are using government as a escaping mechanism and we are just blaming on the circumstances.
Okay, so you mean to say that we are using government for blaming?
Yes.
After our discussion, Khushi, I am able to understand one thing that like why factor, associating respect with the career or using government as a escaping mechanism, or there can be many more.
Yes.
So all these things are not related to skills. We can say that unemployment is not our skill problem. It's either our behavior problem or our thoughts problem.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Khushi. Thank you for watching our Gyan Manch. Jai Hind.
Jai Bharat.